As soon as I started learning English, I said, holy shit! This is stop! All those prepositions and participles and definite and indefinite articles, even words like shit or progress that need no articles, and as soon as you think you made progress, you find yourself buried in a maze of treacherous expressions like it is what it is. What is it? What is it supposed to mean? Can you pick it up, pick on it, and pick it apart? Can you take it with you? Yes. Prepositions are hard, but idioms are the worst. You cannot ascertain an idiom by grasping its literal sense. It will only lead you astray. You'll miss an idiom by a long shot, and pardon my French, you'll be shit out of luck. Up shit creek without a paddle, caught with your pants down, shitting bricks, looking like a dipshit stuck in deep shit. So better get your shit together and start digging deep, for a man's got to do what a man's got to do, right? Well, what does that supposed to mean? Let me cut through crap. I crossed the pond and landed in the Big Apple. Home is fixed with some good shit. I settled down, so one day I walk down the street and shit happens. I feel like I've got to do what a man's got to do, if you know what I mean. Fortunately, I knew about this little joint in the hood, so I was hoping the relief would be inside. But as soon as I approached the door, there it was, right in the window, this huge, colorful, psychedelic neon, blinking and flashing happy hour 4 to 8 p.m. Happy hour 4 to 8 p.m. Happy hour 4 to 8 p.m. And I was like, what kind of shit is that? Yes, I had about a New York minute, but how many of those can you pack into 1 hour? And truly, how can you stretch 1 hour of your happiness into 4 hours of your afternoon? Still, I've got to do it! And yet I wonder, what's I've got to do? Got to do it. Why to turn into communal, even commercial activity? Why to advertise it at all for, you see, where I'm from, we use the term happy hour for the time we used to drop shit. And I recall the calmness of my home, quiet mornings with the book of Basho's haiku in my hand. The old pond, a frog jumps in. Those were my happy hours. But then again, each culture has its idiom. Some like to do it at home in the morning. Some prefer evenings by the ancient pond. Some like privacy. Some share the experience with a few good men one way or another. If you've got to do it, you've got to do it. It is what it is. And who am I to mess with your shit?